In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unsupported file type in Google Drive. If you've ever uploaded a document, image, or other file to Drive and seen the unsupported file type message, don't worry. This usually means Drive doesn't know which app to use to open it by default. The fix is simply to open the file with a compatible app from within Drive. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can preview or work with your file right away. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google's homepage. This gives you quick access to all Google services. Look to the top right corner for the grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. It looks like a small square made of 9 dots. Click it to expand the menu of Google products. From the Apps menu, choose Drive. This opens your Google Drive, where all your files and folders are stored. Make sure you're in the correct account that holds the file you want to open. Once Drive loads, navigate to the file that showed the unsupported message. You can use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of files, or browse through your folders. When you find the file, right-click it to open the context menu. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click usually works the same as right-click. This menu is where you can manage the file, share it, and most importantly for this fix, choose how to open it. Hover your mouse over Open With. Don't click yet, just pause your cursor there. A side menu will appear that lists the available apps. Drive can use to open this specific file type. These options are tailored to the file you selected, so you'll only see apps that make sense for that format. In the Suggested Apps section, click the app that best fits your file. For example, Google Docs is a good match for text-based files. Google Sheets is ideal for spreadsheets or CSVs, and Google Slides works for presentation formats. PDFs typically open in the built-in viewer, and many image or audio files have viewers as well. Picking the right app here tells Drive exactly how to handle the file so it opens correctly. If the first app you try doesn't give you the view or editing tools you need, you can return to the file, repeat the right-click, and choose a different suggestion without changing your original file. That's it. By opening Drive, right-clicking your file, hovering over Open With, and choosing a suitable suggested app, you'll bypass the unsupported message and get back to work. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly open your files in Google Drive.